Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-10T-DN-BCD end-of-period NEMA machine-operated countdown timer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply utilize its countdown functions to limit the work time for their machines. And how it works is they set the time to count down from via their BCD rotary switches, and then at that point they have to provide their own dry contact closure so that the start and open to reset to BCD last value can operate. So in other words, they need their own dry contact closure for that function to operate, and then they plug the power cord into the device that allows them to turn said device on and off, along with the countdown timer as well. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this countdown timer and how it is meant to work. So currently we have it plugged into a power strip, and we're going to turn the power strip off, and we're going to showcase what that's like. So turning off the power switch, the whole unit is powered down. So now we're going to turn the power strip back on. It'll go through the number cycles, count from 1 to 9. And as you can see, it resetted everything, and it now is counting down from 10 seconds, which is what we have the BCD rotary switches set to. So once it reaches 0, the end of period buzzer goes off, and at that point, the dry contact closures are connected that the client has through our first cable gland right here, and then they can just simply restart the countdown over and over, essentially. So now I'm going to showcase how to get into the BCD rotary switches so that way they can set the countdown to any kind of value from 99 minutes and 59 seconds. So I'm just going to simply power it off again. And the first thing that the client needs to do is that they need to remove the front cover lid. They can do this with a Phillips screwdriver. You can just unscrew the screws that allows the front cover to be attached. So now we have unscrewed the front cover lid, and we can now remove it from the enclosure. And as you can see on the top, we have our BCD rotary switches that allows us to set the desired time to count down from when it starts up. So we can do this with either our fingers, or we can do it with a flathead screwdriver. So we're just going to insert our flathead screwdriver. We're just going to turn the knob so that it counts down from 20 seconds. So now I have it set to count down from 20 seconds. So now I'm just going to turn the power strip back on. And as you can see, it is now counting down from 20 seconds because that's what we have the BCD rotary switches set to. So we're going to wait until it counts down all the way to 0. And as you can see, it counted down all the way to 0, and the end of period alarm goes off. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is a NEMA 4X IP66 rated polycarbonate that is waterproof. Its display size is 1 inch that can be viewed up to a total of 25 feet away. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits, and it can count down from a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 5 to 15 NEMA power cord that is SJEOW rated, and it has a grounded 3-prong power connector. And last but not least, we have our end of period buzzer that is an adjustable piezo alarm that is up to 75 to 95 decibels, and it depends on how far away that the user is. If they're 10 centimeters away, then they'll hear the full 75 to 95 decibels. And we also have our BCD rotary switches that can be located in the inside of the enclosure and allows the user to adjust the time to count down from. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-10T-DN-BCD end-of-period NEMA machine-operated countdown timer. Thanks for watching.